Fine.
And how is your night?
So it's fine.
You better do quickly.
Yes.
Because you are running almost late. So, how are you? How was your night?
So it's fine, ma. So it's fine.
God will go with you.
Amen.
You people are resuming today, right?
Yes, ma.
God will be your Alpha and Omega.
Amen.
No evil will befall you in school.
Amen.
It is well with you, my daughter.
Amen.
Well done.
Thank you, ma.
Just be a good girl.
Yes, I will.
You must have missed all your friends in school.
Yes, so, then.
Get dressed on time because... Did you prepare anything for your breakfast?
No, I can't wait for that. Just simply and
Anyway, I've given you money.
thank you. How do I look?
You look good. Oh, let me see. And your hair is very good too. And
thank
neat.
you.
Alright then.
Bye, mommy.
Bye then. Take care of yourself.
Alright, ma. Bye.
And say hello to that your friend for me.
Alright, ma.
Bye,
See you.
love. God will go with you. So sure it will be like Christmas for them in school. It is well.
I'm the one.
Báwo ni? Ṣàlàfíà ni? Ṣojire? Ṣàlàfíà ni? O ti múra iléèwé nìyẹn? What's the time? Well, my son.
Sir.
My son. My son. Gbà mí ló mọ̀ pé
3 times.
mo fi Ọlọ́run bá bẹ̀. Iléèwé tó ń lọ, iléèwé yẹn mo fẹ́ kó gbájúmọ́. Ìwé yẹn gan mo fẹ́ kó gbájúmọ́. Kó lè di gbajúgbajà nínú ayé. Kó lè di ẹni tí ó ń gbé ayé máa rí ohun máa kọ sára sí. Tí èmi fún ara mi tí mo jẹ́ bàbá tó bí ẹlọ́mọ tí nígbà lè máa dùn tí máa fi ẹ̀mọ̀ yàn kan. Ṣùgbọ́n tí mo sọ, please, I'm begging you. Iléèwé yẹn gan, má wo after obìnrin, má wà distracted by obìnrin, má wà distracted by ọ̀rẹ́, ká máa kẹ́gbẹ́kẹ́gbẹ́, ká máa lọ síjọ́. Àwa náà ṣe secondary school bọ̀ kò favour wa ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ àwọn òbí tiwa náà. Ṣó yẹ mo fi ọ̀nà bàbẹ́ ìgbọ́nà ó sùn jù bọ́dọ̀ lọ. Ṣó yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn ẹni sọ fún ọmọlúwàbí tó bá dé náà ṣe kí ni adòdìdì tó bá mọ̀ máa bá ẹ̀ complete ẹ̀. Ṣó yẹ.
I'm also promising you that I'll make you proud.
Are you serious?
Yes, it's a promise.
It's a promise.
Yes,
Are you for real?
I'm serious.
Give it to you.
Thank you, sir.
God will bless you. God will be with you.
So, I'll go now.
Take it. I trust you.
Alright.
Have a great day.
Alright, then.
God bless you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good to see you.
So that was how it went. In fact, my dad even said maybe we should just fly out to Dubai. I was like, I don't dey go anywhere. Why I go fly go Dubai? I don't dey go. I just did, but I really enjoyed the holiday though. I really enjoyed it. In fact, I really enjoyed the holiday to be sincere. How was yours?
See, bro. See, it's not really cool, but we bless God. Like,
What is it?
bless God.
You see these guys? You see these guys?
Don't worry now, we go meet for outside.
Oscar,
We go meet for outside.
you don't need it. Actually, you know them before.
It is because we are in school now.
Just calm down. Just calm down. Leave them.
Let them try this
Let
outside.
them be. You know them already.
Ah,
Hey.
boys and girls
Hey.
in this same school. Omo, Islam go out oh.
So,
He's already on fire.
he's all
Liam, are you going to leave me here? Ah.
Hey, bitch. Stupid fool. I want you to stop talking with Liam. I love moving with guys. Are you not even ashamed of yourself? Ashewo. This is my last warning, okay? Do you hear me? Leave Liam alone, okay? I'm talking to you. Are you mad? Did you hear me? Leave Liam alone. Idiots.
Don't say me really appreciate you. My last one.
Did you see that?
Just calm down. I swear to you. So, just calm down. Get. Smile now.
How am I supposed to smile?
I'm sorry. Let's go and eat. Let's go.
Guys, I can't tolerate this anymore because she's already pissing me off. What's the problem with her? Why is she stressing me? If she wants any one of you, she just go for it. Why stressing me now? I'm tired. What's so funny?
No, really. You said if she wants one of us.
Yes.
Is this playing?
Wait. See, my conclusion towards it is that I'm going to report her to my mom because I can't tolerate this anymore. It's getting out of hand now. What's the problem with her?
Oh, your mom.
Yes.
Really? Mm-hmm. And you think it's going to work? It's not going to work. Okay, you know what? Just calm down. Calm down. I'm going to report her to Mr. Henry.
Wait, that weekly?
Don't worry about that. I'll try and sort it out. Is that why you are now frying?
That is the reason. Do you know what I'm passing through?
You that you
Don't
cannot
worry.
even fight self.
Sezu, you've not seen the other side of
Hey,
it.
guys, let's go to the sport.
The sport.
What's this one?
Oh, the sport. Oh yeah, now. Move. Let's go.
Wait, are you being serious right now? Wait for me now. What sport are you talking about? Liam, Oscar. Odeyale people you.
don't even know what to do. The principal said if I didn't pay up, I won't sit for the exam. Like seriously, I'm just so tired right now.
So, what do you now think we can do about that?
See, I'm just so confused right now. Like seriously. See, I'm just really tired. I'm confused right now. You see this guy? You see this guy? Who this guy be self? Ah!
Calm down. Oscar, you know you can't beat him. You know already, Oscar. Just calm down.
Bro!
Okay, go and
You know
meet
this
him.
guy! You know this guy! You!
Are you not going anymore? Go and meet him. I said you should calm down. You can't beat him. You self no. What did they do yourself? May we go, Joe?
See this guy! Hey, bro! Bro, when they stop now? Me, I go finish this guy one time. No. Now, when they stop now?
Oscar,
Ah!
go meet him and follow him fire. Go meet him.
Yeah!
No come.
Yeah!
No come on him. Go meet
So
him.
you go leave me for here?
Follow and fight.
Oya now. No worry. Just dey do anyhow. No problem now. Just dey do anyhow. Yeah, you no go wait for me. You wait dey do.
I don't know the sickness is serious like this.
Like seriously, me too. I was so surprised.
It's really critical. As I would say it though, is this serious?
Jesus. So what's the plan now? What's the plan?
Yes, I wanted to ask. That's the reason why I said we should come out. What's the solution?
Well, my sister has been trying her best. She sent us money for our medications and treatments. But things are really going out of hand. It's not going as planned at all. She needs to be flying abroad for chemotherapy.
What? Chemotherapy?
Wait. Hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What's that?
It's not cancer. Jesus.
That's not even the case. She needs the sum of 20 million naira for the surgery.
Jesus. 20 million.
20.
Guys, cheer up. Thanks so much for
Seriously, I am speechless right now. I don't even know what to say. 20 billion naira.
Thank you. Thanks for your time. Thank you. Amen.
Amelia, everything will be fine. You just have to calm down. Stay strong. I believe everything will be fine. Since we didn't see you in school, as I've said, we should just check on you.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thanks for coming. Thank you. Let me just see you. Alright, thank you. Let me just see you.
20 million.
Yeah. I'll start today class with a question. What is the difference between tales and legend? Tales and legend. All right, yeah.
I think the tales is a story of, let's say, the past, but it was presented by someone, while the legend is the story of the past.
On legend, you are right. Absolutely correct. But tales is actually a story. It can actually be created. It can be created by anybody. Just for the purpose of fun, probably enjoyment, and so on created. But legend, you are correct, is actually a happening of the past. So anyone can tell me an example of any legend we've mentioned in this class before? Anybody? Oh, Amelia.
According to what you taught us last week concerning the house of treasure.
Wow, house of treasure. A round of applause for her. A round of applause for our class. So as I was saying, House of Treasure is actually a story that happened in the past, but right now is a legend. You understand? Okay, good. Hey! Are you in this class? Remove your cap. Remove it! Bunch of nincompoos. Alright. As I was saying about the House of Treasure,
I need help from you, and I know you can do it. Amelia's mother, she's suffering from cancer.
I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry.
So according to what she said, when you pay your money like to fly out, and they're going to pay the sum of 20 million naira. And then for Oscar also, been moving the school a lot now, and also for school pay. If he doesn't pay up, he won't be able to sit with us with the final exam. So I don't know how you can just help us out concerning that.
My son, Sherry, understand it. No one put more to me. In the first place, one of my situation that I'm facing the country and say, "Oh, be obesity, or joke about something." You know, the name is a good fear. I get it. One of my what will pass through. Lord, presently, school fees here and there. Settle me up for Lord. But what should you say? I will not promise you. But just please, my son, try to understand me. Know that maybe I'm interested. We don't know a lot of things between us as we very more expect good things from them. So just try to, more feelings more feel well in here. Because already, I know Badra can come see more about your rare. similar to pé kíkan ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ tèmi kọ́ọ̀rẹ́ mi máa request fún kan lọ́dọ̀ tèmi ni kì í má wá ṣe ṣé o mọ̀ pé àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ kẹta tó wá padà gbọ́ máa sọ pé kò ṣe wá bá mi tó bá náà wá bá mi tó bá ní mi ò ṣe that means we are all failure kọ́ọ̀lọ́ máa ṣe wá lẹ́ni tó máa pàdánù èèyàn just give me the time I will fix it for you. Joe. My son. Ṣorí mo lè parọ́ fún ara ta kò ṣe bírù wọ. Kò ṣe bírù wọ. Tí n bá parọ́ fún ẹ, mo parọ́ fúnra mi. Bọ́ mọ mi ní ẹ, mi lè parọ́ fún ẹ. Just give me a little time so ma lè fix àwọn nǹkan tó yẹ pé wọ́n ń dí mi lọ́nà tí ò ní jẹ́ lè yẹ kí n ṣe nǹkan tí ó sọ fún mi sí. Ṣùgbọ́n àárọ̀ la wà yìí. Everything will work out like God wills. My dear. So, so see you later.
How should we go about this now? What's all this? How can I be of help to these people, especially Amelia? Because I really like her though. Oscar paying his school fee. And I asked my dad for help. He said he couldn't help them. How can I be of help? No one to run to. No one to call for help. What can I do? I guess the House of Treasure is the best idea. No, Liam, no. That's a crazy idea. We were told that the House of Treasure is a dangerous and cursed place. Why would you just decide to go to the House of Treasure? But thinking of it, that is the only solution I can be of help. I believe going into the House of Treasure, we'll find something that will be of use to the three of us. Amelia, 20 million. Oscar, school fee. Liam, House of Treasure. That's the best idea. House of Treasure.
So where is it now?
Amelia, just calm down, okay?
Can you imagine? We've been standing here for the past 30 minutes and it's not yet. Aren't you going to say anything?
Guys, I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry. What's wrong?
What's wrong? You kept us waiting and you're saying what's wrong?
I'm sorry. I've been thinking about something all over the night.
Which is?
I've been thinking about the House of Treasure.
What? House of Treasure?
Yeah. See, guys, take a look at it. Thinking of it, please.
Wait. You mean you are being serious right now?
I'm being serious right now.
House of treasure.
Yes. Because looking at things, guys, we really need to go into this house of treasure.
Have you lost your senses? How could you even think of that? That cursed place and deadly. No, I know you are joking, right?
I need to think of it due to the current situation we are in.
What current situation are you in?
Okay, Oscar. Looking at things, you are owing the school like how much?
Bro, that was not that bad.
You are owing the school like how much?
Okay. 180.
180. Amelia, you said your mother's treatment is 20 million naira. Like how much have you raised?
And what does that do
Like
with
how
this?
much have you raised?
It's not up to 1 million.
So guys, think about it. Going into this house of treasure is for our benefit. It will work for the three of us. Think of it, we just get there. I believe when we enter there, we are going to bring out something tangible out for the three of us.
You can't be serious.
I'm serious.
Wait, you want us to go to that cursed place?
See,
Who knows if it even exists?
Liam, we don't even know full details about this house of treasure we are talking about.
Oscar, that is it. Surely we don't know full details about it. But my instinct is telling me that we go straight to Mr. Derrick and ask for full details. We trick him and he's going to tell us the full details about it. Think of it, guys. I'm out.
Yeah. No. What's wrong with this one?
Ah!
See, Amelia,
What?
I'm not really cool with your offer, but
I'm
I don't
not
have a
cool.
choice.
This is not part. It's not really at all. I'm not cool with it. It can't be serious now.
But
You
we
can't.
don't have any choice right now.
What?
We don't have any choice right now. Are you in or out?
Wait, even you? Wow.
Okay, tell me, where are you going to see the 20 million naira for your mother's treatment? So, I don't think you have any choice, any other choice at all than to follow. Are you in or out?
Okay, fine, I'm in, but
Good.
Oscar, ha. Wait for me now. Couch for me.
Yeah, I got for you. Last day that the score was very poor. What happened?
I'm very sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
I'm very sorry. What's wrong?
The thing is,
Things what?
sir, you can't understand.
I understand.
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, sir. I promise to work on myself this time, sir.
Sure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Why is she doing like this?
sọ English. Alàgbà mi ló mọ̀ ló yẹ kí n la kan mọ́ lórí ṣùgbọ́n wáìnì ni.
Ẹ filẹ̀ ṣe bá ní dààmú. Bá lọ ní ìwọ.
Kí la tiẹ̀ sọ náà? Fi sílẹ̀ kí la sọ náà? Ẹ rọ́bọ̀ wèrè jọ ṣó wáìnì ni onídàbí kí wọ́n wèrè tó sọ English máa ń kó ní ẹ̀. Ẹni wọ́n pa ibi ẹ̀ bá pa ibi rẹ̀ tẹ̀ yọ mẹ́rẹ̀ sílẹ̀. Àpá ìyá ẹ̀. Ó sì lọ jọ. Kó lọ fọ́ kí lọ. Nonsense.
No. I know the look. It's not what you're thinking. Actually, I just come here to chill sometimes. That's all.
Chill, you say?
Yes.
In this kind of environment, in this place? What type of chilling is that? Does this look like a lounge or?
The thing is, the chilling in school is quite different from the chilling here. So I just come here to cool my brain. That's all.
Cool your brain. Okay, this looks like a lecture room or a library where you come and
Right. Actually, it's not the library, it's not that.
Yeah, and you
Cool
think
your
this
brain.
place is the best option for you? Honestly.
Yes. That's all.
See, Liam, what are we doing here?
Thank you. The reason we are here is to plan how to get more people so that we'll go to the house of treasure together.
bad idea. More people. And you think people would love to follow you to that deadly mission?
Yeah. See, let's do this mission ourselves because I don't believe people will want to follow us to that dangerous mission.
Yes, they'll never.
Yeah. Oscar, Amelia, if we don't try, we won't know whether people will go or not. Let's just give it a shot. Probably it can work. So let's give it a try.
Well, there's no harm in trying though. So how do we go about it?
What kind of benefits are you talking about?
Yeah, benefit as in the adventures. You know, we are being taught in class concerning the House of Treasure. So it will be nice if we witness that. And thirdly, the fun. You get it? Trust me.
I don't. Yeah. So I was sent to school to learn, not to embark on dangerous adventures. So,
Wait, I also came to school to learn. Congratulations. Wait, let me explain further. You know, the thing is,
look as I was saying, bẹ́ẹ̀ gọ́mọ yẹn ti pọ̀ jù. Nígbà tó máa fi sọ̀rọ̀ tán tó máa fi ṣe everything tó máa sọ tán ọmọ èṣe tí mo kọ́kọ́ fún mo tiẹ̀ jẹ́ kó mọ̀ mo jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé yes èmi gan mi ìṣọ́ ọmọ rírọ̀ wọ́n fún lẹ́sẹ̀ yẹn nígbà tó máa padà dé báyìí ọmọ èmi àti ẹ̀ já gidi gan. Look as I was talking to you. Ìwọ ni mò ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ látàárọ̀ náà kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
When you people go dey talk, you go talk that. Now I know they hear wetin you people dey talk. So wetin so?
So what I'm saying is that I've been looking at you all these days. And I've been talking to you, you've been ignoring me. Understand?
You know wetin so? You know all those talk. They talk down the time, understand?
Are you going to House of Treasure? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Mo yà gbé sára. Yé gbà mí. Èmi ni wá nǹkan ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ ara mi báyìí mi ọmọ Yorùbá. Wọ́n ń tẹ̀lé ọmọ Yíbo tó fi ń bí mi ṣe nígbà tí. Tí wọ́n mi yà mú dàgbé sára. Lucas!
What's up now? Babe, don't greet me. Do not greet me. Don't you know we are late? Do you want Mr. Way to be shouting at us? I don't like it.
Oh my God. Like, I don't understand.
You don't understand what?
You're afraid of that teacher. It's not even a teacher. A thing.
Okay.
That thing.
Okay.
Uncle Mahale. Mr. Way of all teacher. I've
heard you.
Oh, gosh. Well, fuck up, Sha. Let's go.
Babe, have you heard something?
What?
Let me gist you, my friend. Do you know Liam and I think his guys, they're going to House of Treasure.
House of Treasure?
Yes.
House of Treasure.
Are you going?
I'm out. I'm not going. Because Lucas is not going, so I'm out.
Because Lucas is not going, so you are not going.
Yeah, I'm not
Lucas,
going.
that's stupid thing.
Don't call him stupid. Point of correction. Don't ever call him stupid. You
so
understand?
My friend is in love.
I'm in love. It's because you have not even have a taste of it. I am in love.
Sorry.
As you can see.
Lover girl. I don't understand.
I beg now, you know.
Yeah, Lucas. Hey.
so, Liam, what's the plan? I'm never going to accept the plan. Never! It will never happen. Oscar, say something. Aren't you going to say anything, Oscar? Hey, Rishi. That's the plan. Can you imagine? What is this one saying? So, why is he so heartless? Can you see this boy? So you don't even care about me from Oscar? Did you see see that?
Amelia, see, we don't have any other choice.
Even you? You don't have any other. So all of you want me dead. So
that's the plan. Okay?
Are you being serious right now? Oscar! So
So guys, I appreciate you all for coming, and I want you all to know that this adventure we're embarking on is going to benefit each and every one of us. According to my research, if we enter into that house of treasure, it's going to change a lot of things in our life. In fact, in our future generations. So looking at things, although it may sound scary, worst, but when coming back, I'm very sure, very, very sure that our life will never be the same.
You see, Liam, we still need one.
exactly my point. Because all of us here were feeble-minded.
Excuse me. Will you speak for yourself?
Manpower, you see. We are trying to.
So when we move down?
Lucas!
What's up?
Babe, how are you?
I'm good.
Babe, I have another shocking news for you.
Shocking news. What is it? NCNN of our school.
Yeah, anyways, me, I will say it.
Say it, lazy.
Lucas that you want to kill yourself on is going to House of Treasure.
Lucas.
Yes, Lucas. Lucas.
I don't know what to say. Can you repeat yourself?
Lucas is going to House of Treasure.
But he told me he's not going.
Yeah, he will say he's not going because you mean nothing to him. You mean nothing to him. You are the lover girl. And yeah, I will always tell you. You are be chasing after him. You are the lover girl. He's on his way. If you want, he's on his way. Yes, Lucas. Lover girl.
Say you be small boy for this work. See how you dey do, say.
Wait. Calm down. Easy. No dey rush.
Wait, let him reply.
This thing don't give me, I swear to God.
See, you go dey continue to dey do am. Everything na grace. I know they do this kind of thing. Yeah. Make a try.
I know you be here. No, when me by low mawa. I know you be here. See me for you in school. Be by lower. Ṣé wọn kì í nífẹ̀ẹ́ yàn ni mo nífẹ̀ẹ́? Lucas, I love you with all my heart. Mo ń ṣe mí báṣubàṣu. Mama love your friends, all mama disgrace me, mama ṣe kọ́kọ́, mama sọ̀rọ̀, mama boom because I loved you.
From no point of view, I can get. No, they laugh. I don't like her now. Now she loves she get. But firstly, where your socks? Where your socks?
Where is Sandra? That's why that girl dey dress inside school.
Abi you
See how you
call me Asa.
No abuser. No be her fault, na papa fault. You see, say they no get you iron for house. They no get iron for house at all.
I'm not talk normal. Don't tell me say since Monday. You watch this girl?
Never.
If I give you that slap, you want this one?
No slap her, leave her. No be her fault, say.
This one.
No touch am. See as she be. We is like this. We don't know say we be we.
And na normal. As we
we see senior your daddy now.
But you know what you did is very, very wrong. You know what you did is very, very wrong. Even if you don't love me, I told you, I asked you, are you going to House of Treasure? You said no.
And how is that your own fucking business? Say that your papa dey feed me.
Hey now.
But I love you. I'm your girlfriend.
I swear for my front, na babu she be sef.
No, they talk that kind love.
I swear you senior monkey.
Look at me.
No, me.
Look at me.
No, me.
It is me, oh. Ayo, look at my face.
Hey! Don't go loving going back. I better come out for here, Joe. You dey mad.
For na life, if your English never fluent, no come talk to me again. Your papa dey send you come school. The money na waste yo. The money wey dey spend for you na waste. I don't know why your papa send you come school. For na life, come out for here first.
Guys, I will do my own.
Come out for here, abeg.
I will do my own.
See as she be.
God punish, I will do my own.
Abeg come out.
Come on, T. You know what they never boy. Wetin dey so? Why na the love as well?
Ṣé ogun fẹ́ pa yín ni?
Ogun fẹ́ pa yín. Why so do you?
Na wetin dey pay.
Abeg come on, T.
I don't know why I get you people.
Normal.
You know say normal. You people you resemble each other.
Calm down.
Na Yoruba dey resemble each other too much.
Say what? Wait. I'm confused and I'm surprised. Those who go into the house of prayer, Master David could tell them that the place is very dangerous, but they insist on going. But I'm really sure that you are not going.
I'm not going because I'm not even interested. Me?
After what Master David told them, that place is very risky, and I can't risk my life on top small thing because of money.
I'm not going.
That's not good.
I hope you're not going also.
I'm not going. Me, when Oscar came to meet me, I told him that I'm a girl. That I'm the only child of my family. So where will I go? I don't have any brother, I don't have any sister. Why will I follow them again?
Liam, what just happened? Where are others? Liam, talk to me. What happened? What happened, Liam? No. Liam!
What is wrong with you? What happened? Where are we? I think you should open your eyes wide and see where we are. Look at what you are putting on now. We're in school, of course.
Are you alright?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm fine, of course. What happened? I've been waiting for you downstairs. Please, let's go. It's closing already.
It's closing already?
Yes, let's go. Are you sure you are fine? Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm tired. Oscar is downstairs. Let's go. Yeah, are you sure you are fine?
this place?
Looking at it, I think it looks like an entrance to me.
Entrance?
Yes.
If na entrance, no we enter now. Which kind of thing we can stay?
Sky!
My phone is off.
Waiting with this now. I can't even find my phone.
The time is not working.
Guys!
What do we do now?
Guys!
Hey, what's all this?
Guys!
Yeah,
Just you guys. Yeah. Listen! I think...
Bro, the night we did like this, the night we did.
Just listen!
Listen what? I beg you.
Money I've thought tonight. You say we should listen. Money I've thought tonight. You say we should listen.
This is scary.
Guys,
I can't copy this one now.
Guys,
I'm very scared.
I think the journey has just started.
Oh my God, started.
Yes.
Johnny.
Guys, are you sure about what I'm talking
Just listen.
Johnny started.
According to Mr. Derrick.
You said Johnny just started.
Listen. According to Mr. Derrick, he said the house of treasure is somehow scary. Though, yes. But I think the journey
So what's the
has
next
just
move
begun.
like this? What's the next move like this?
Hey, where do we go from here?
Daddy.
Hey, now.
My own body is crashing me.
Just calm down.
Bro, calm down every time.
Oh God.
Guy, you know me, shout. Guy, you know me,
Let's
shout.
go this way.
Which way? No following.
This one is inside push on me. I'm not going.
No follow this guy.
Don't go.
This guy. Yeah. You don't
Let's
follow
tell us,
way.
let me
You
come
don't
here.
pass this
Follow
place.
us.
Money
If
comes
it's
tonight. You won't follow
your
him.
boy. Follow our boy. It's your boy, Joe. Push our Joe. It's not our
They
boy.
go.
I don't think this.
Hey guy, you won't follow him. Bro.
Let's follow this place. Let's move this place.
Move go. You sure say this place na the right way?
Move go.
Excuse me.
Guys,
Better be careful. Hope you are not mad. Rihanna, where do you go from here?
Yeah, what did they solve now?
I don't even understand. Oh God.
How they soap like this?
What guys? You don't know what you go do again.
Don't you shout.
Hey guy, you know say I don't tell you. I don't tell you say this thing na fuck up. Come.
How far there?
Talk to him now. Wait here. Talk to him now.
Guys, now what is it? What's up with him? Excuse me.
Stop shouting. What's all this now?
Wetin sup like this? Say your shout go sup.
Don't let me change this to you. Don't let me better warn yourself.
Hey, I beg you. Wait till they worry.
Wetin be all this one like this? Then wetin sup like this?
it's like we are going to rest a bit here.
Rest.
Yes.
For here now you go rest.
Hey, Jesus.
Now see how for that book say you go rest
a
for here.
bit.
How do we rest it? What is it? Olivia, what is your problem? What?
You look like an Adelebo that is crazy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look here! Where are you going?
We don't know. We are coming for. We are heading home. We are going back home. I want to go meet my sick mother. I want to go meet my sick mother.
I even have sick mother. This stupid girl have sick mother. That is following by boy. Stupid girl.
You are stupid. Fine, sir. No, we are not fine. We are not fine, sir. We are not fine, sir.
Why are you not fine? Where are you?
We are lost. We are going.
You better talk.
Where are you going? Mo rànjú.
No.
Mo rànjú. Èmi rànjú, ìwọ náà rànjú. Where are you going?
We are going back home, sir.
We are going to the house of
Talk to him now. Talk to him. They don't talk to him.
Yes, sir. We are going to the house of
Even if you are following by boy, when Baba now go
keep quiet.
Cannot talk.
Why don't you follow Gege? Olórí burúkú ẹlòrò, why don't you follow Gege?
This is my Gege. Follow her. Come here.
You are going to the house of treasure.
Yes.
You will die.
Yes. Please, sir.
You can allow this woman to not die. She should die. Only her to die. Only her to die. Only her to die.
Please,
you will die here.
Please, sir.
Aggressive, crazy woman. Stand up!
Only her to die.
Shepherd, yes, match.
No. Don't touch her, Joe. Don't touch her. Don't allow her to touch you, Joe. Don't talk to me. Talk to him.
Shepherd, Wole Soyinka.
Sir?
Eko, Oko Winani.
Sir? Wole Soyinka?
Your father.
Stupid girl. Are you stupid?
You are stupid. Talk to him. You stop it.
I have a gift
Move
for
close to her. Only her to die.
Yes, they keep
Sorry. Nah, you want to kill my friend. Stupid girl. She have killed me.
No, sir. No, I dare not.
You see what you people do? Oh, we see my phone. Yeah.
You are dying today. ẹja lọ́mọkùnrin ni. Oya fẹ́ mi. Fẹ́ mi wọ̀.
Oya máa fẹ́. Máa fẹ́. Ikú tó ti wà ní. Bẹ́ẹ̀ nílé ni.
Ọ̀rọ̀ níbí ọ̀rọ̀ nílé.
Ẹjọ́.
Okay, daddy. Okay, daddy. You are dribbling your daddy.
I'm not even considerate about myself right now. Although my mother is at the point of death, but what can I do? We were eight in Donbass. We were eight that embarked on this journey. The shocking part is that Olivia, she died right before me, Liam. Right before me. Same as Dre. He vanished. We don't even know where he is presently. Others, Oscar, others, we don't know where they are. If they are dead or alive, we are not sure about it. See, at this point, it's not even certain we are going to come out of here alive. So I suggest the best thing to do is just to go back. Let's go back, please.
Let's go back. Please, can you tell me how we will get home? Just tell me. There's no way we can get home like this.
We have to find a way.
Since there is no way.
There should be a way, Leah. There should be. We came here out of nowhere, so.
Amelia, show me the way to the house.
Just find any means of going back.
What I can
this
say.
is scary and deadly.
Listen. What I can just say is that we keep going in this journey. We keep going. There's nothing we can do. There's no way home. There's no way home. We have to just keep going. Keep moving.
Yeah. Why are you this heartless? I never knew you were like this. Ah, God. This is the greatest mistake I've ever made in my life.
Amelia.
Don't call my name. Don't call me.
We have to just calm down and then keep growing. I know once we get the house of treasure, we will get home. Probably when we get into the house of treasure, we are going to get home. That's my belief. We have to just keep going, please.
Right. It's about the treasures, right? Where are you going, Leah?
guy, wait. Wait, guy. Ah. Lucas. Lucas.
Liam, where is this place? Where are we?
From the bush to a house. What's this?
Where is this place? I told you. What do we do now?
What is this place?
What are we going to do now?
You know what? Definitely. We are in the right place.
Right place?
Yes. I believe since we've gotten into this house, and definitely we are going to see the treasure in this house.
You can't be serious. So you are still considering about this treasure? I never knew you were like this. How could I have trusted you this much? Where is Oscar? Answer me, where is he? You know what? At this point, because I'm very certain you're not going to come out of being alive. None. My mother. My darling mother, I'm so sorry. I actually thought I'll be able to save you before embarking on this journey. I thought if I could get the treasures, I'll be able to get some money for your surgery. As it is now, seems I'm going to go before you.
Níbo lẹ ń sálọ? Níbo lẹ ń lọ gọ́gọ́? Ajá kò tiẹ̀ lórí gbígbó. Ẹṣin kò tiẹ̀ lórí eré. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ ti kò tí ń báyìí o. Nítorí wọ́n sọ fún yín. Ẹ̀yin lẹ gbọ́. Ẹjọ́ alẹ́ ti lápá ọmọ. Ẹ gbọ́. Àti ọjọ́ tẹ̀ tí gbìmọ̀ pọ̀ láti sọ pé ń bọ̀ nínú ilé yìí. Òun lèmi gbọ́gbọ́ fúnra mi ti mọ̀. Ẹ ń gbọ́ràn ni. Wọ́n ní kó dó márè lódò. Odó kọ̀. Odó lòdò. Ó wá di ohun tí ọmọ aráyé ń gbọ́. Wọ́n ní kọ́ ló márè lódò. Ọlọ́kọ̀ ọlọ́lẹ̀ lódò. Ó di ohun tí ọmọ aráyé ń lọ mọ́lẹ̀. Ẹ dìde. Tó bá ní kẹ́ má ṣe ẹ̀ ní rárá àfi kẹ́ ẹ ṣe. Àwọn tó kú yín dà báyìí. Níbo ni gbogbo wọn wà? Ẹ dẹ́bi lọ́wọ́ ni. Ó ti lọ. Àbí wọn ti lọ báyìí. Ṣé rí ẹ̀yin méjèèjì tó kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ ṣe? Ẹ lè lúlà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín. Nítorí kò sẹ́ni tó wọnú ilé yìí wá. Tó wọnú ilé yìí tó lọ láàyè. Èèyàn ló kẹ́ṣin lóró. Ẹṣin ò dédé níkà o. Inú ilé tẹ̀ wọ̀ yìí. Ilé tó ń ṣọ̀ fún wàrà àti fún oyin ni. Tí èmi yìí tí mò ń fún gbogbo nǹkan ta ọmọ aráyé lọ́rẹ. Ibi ló fi sọ fún mi padà. Kò sẹ́ni tó wọnú lé ipò fẹ́ wá kó wúrà tàbí fàdákà tó wà nínú ilé tó lọ. ní máa lọ láàyè nínú yín. Ẹni náà dé gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ ẹni tó ní ọkàn mímọ́. Òun rèé. Ẹnìkan tó ní ọkàn mímọ́ nínú yín òun nìkan ló lè lọ yá láàyè. Tí ẹ ò bá sí ọkàn mímọ́ kò sí ẹnikẹ́ni tó máa jáde láàyè nínú ilé. Tí ẹ ò bá sí ọkàn mímọ́ kò sí ẹnikẹ́ni tó máa jáde láàyè.
I've never done anything right in my life. I thought coming here, it's just to help, not just for my own good. But I didn't know it would go this way. I guess it's the right time to change all my wrong ways, to make all my ways clean. It is right time I correct everything that I've done wrong.
What do you think you are doing? Did you really think you are fit for this? Oh, please. You both know you won't be able to do this. You both know. Oh, promise me one thing. If eventually you escape, Ayomide.
Amelia is dead. She sacrificed herself for all of us to be alive.
Jesus! Amelia! I love you.
Hey guys.